Welcome to a new WordPress tutorial video. Now today we will learn how to make a drop-down menu in WordPress website. You can see I have a website like web.ionlineco.com. This is one of my subdomains. So for instance, here you can see food, health, sports, these three categories showing in menu as separate links. But I want to show them as a drop-down menu. So for it, I will go to my appearance, menus. I have an existing menu here like main menu, primary, you can see here. So first we will create a custom link. We will copy our main website URL and we'll paste here. Now after slash, we will type shift+3 hashtag or number sign here. And here I will write like categories and add to menu. Now this is a link, this is a custom link and it's hashtag, so someone will click here so it will not redirect to any other page. So categories I will move after home here. Now this food, health, sports, it's already there. If they are not here, you can add them from categories, or even if you want to add your post or pages as drop down menu links, whatever you want to add, you can add from here. Now I have food, health, sports. What I will do, I will move a bit food here, health here, and sports menu link here. Now we will save the menu, and location is already defined like manage location. My main menu is primary theme location. So primary theme location menu is showing the assigned menu, main menu, which recently we have edited. So now if we refresh the website, so you can see the links are showing now in as a drop down menu. See, if I move the mouse on the categories, so categories is a custom link, and see it's only hashtag. If I click here, so someone if we move here, so automatically these drop down will show, see, food, health and sports. So if someone will click on sports, so it will redirect to the sports directory. Food will redirect to food directory. Health will redirect to health category. So this is the easy way method you can use to make a drop down menu in WordPress website. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video with your friends.